How many subscribers are need to get silver play button? How many subscribers are need to get golden play button? How many subscribers are need to get diamond play button? Let's start a video. YouTube gives a play buttons for the content creators who is eligible for it. There are 4 types of play buttons. Number 1 silver play button, number 2 golden play button, number 3 diamond play button, number 4 red diamond play button. Start with silver play button. For silver play button, YouTube channel needs a minimum 1 lakh subscribers for a silver play button. Number 2 golden play button. For golden play button, YouTube channel needs a minimum 10 lakh subscribers for golden play button. Number 3 diamond play button. For diamond play button, YouTube channel needs a minimum 1 crore subscribers for diamond play button. Number 4 red diamond play button. For red diamond play button, YouTube channel needs a minimum 10 crore subscribers for red diamond play button. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more informative videos. Bye bye.